Put an end to the guessing game involved with budgeting for your school district's one-to-one device repairs with AGI Protect, the ultimate Case Plus unlimited repair protection plan powered by AGI Repair. AGI Protect offers a variety of durable iPad, MacBook, and Chromebook cases from leading case manufacturers, combined with our unlimited accidental damage repair coverage. When damage occurs, all repairs covered under your AGI Protect plan will be performed by AGI Repair with no additional cost. All of the most common repairs are covered under AGI Protect, including cracked screens, headphone jacks, home buttons, speakers, charging ports, and many other repairs. If you're trying to decide the best way to protect your technology investment, here's the advantages you'll receive with AGI Protect versus other protection plans. Unlimited repairs. AGI Protect offers unlimited repairs with no deductibles or service fees. Other plans only allow 2 incidents of damage per year before additional charges incur. After those 2 incidents, you could be responsible for the full repair price, which can be very expensive. Original devices. AGI Protect repairs are performed on your original student-issued device and sent back to you. All repairs are performed by an experienced AGI repair technician at one of our facilities in Pennsylvania or Texas. Other manufacturer plans send you back a replacement device, leaving you with the tasks of re-asset tagging, recasing, and setting up the device all over again. Dedicated account manager. With AGI Protect, you're assigned a dedicated account manager who knows the specific details of your plan and is always accessible with any questions you may have. When it's time to submit a repair, our website allows instant claim submissions and notifies your account manager. Other plans subject you to a lengthy and often frustrating customer service claim approval process. Cases. We're proud to be partnered with leading case manufacturers for the K-12 environment. We offer a wide variety of case options for both Apple and Chromebook devices, while other plans' case options are very limited. Term options. AGI Protect covers more and costs less than any other plan on the market. You can choose to safeguard your devices for 1, 2, 3, or 4 years. Get started with AGI Protect today. Just go to agirepair.com/AGI Protect and request a quote for your fleet of devices, or download our AGI Protect Solutions Guide to view pricing and learn more. Join the growing list of thousands of school districts that have been simplifying their one-to-one initiative with AGI Protect.